Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
If you have outdoor plans, some outdoor fun for the weekend, you're probably going to like the forecast. Now, we are seeing a warming trend for the weekend. We'll see highs near 90 degrees, not overly humid, not as bad as it could be for June. And we will also have a south wind for the weekend. A bit breezy, but not overly windy. This morning, temperatures are comfortable. This is the coolest weather we've seen all week. 60 degrees to begin the day, and the clouds are moving their way out of eastern Oklahoma. Still seeing some clouds in the southeastern part of the state. This is what it looks like on the satellite right here near McAllister, Interstate 40 and toward Fort Smith. This is the edge of the clouds. Those will gradually move away. We may see a few other clouds moving in later today, but overall a lot of sunshine. So looking good for your Friday. More sunshine also means we will see warmer weather across our area as well. As far as the rain, that looks to be staying well to our south for today. So no rain is expected in the Tulsa area. However, a few small showers can't be ruled out in southeastern Oklahoma. The bulk of the rain will be farther south in Texas. Your temperatures today cool this morning, then up to 80 degrees at noon, and at 5 p.m. 86 degrees. We are seeing a warming trend. The 7-day forecast looking into the weekend. Of course, Tulsa tough. Professional bicycle racing ongoing in downtown Tulsa this weekend. Also Fun Day Sunday out at One Oak Field for the Tulsa Drillers. Highs near 90 for the weekend. Then the rain chance is returning next week by Monday and Tuesday.
I love these types of 7 days because there are rain chances in them, just not during the weekend.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
We planned it perfectly.
Good job, George. A+.
Well, some